Hello everyone, welcome back again to this Art and Faith channel. This is your very own Rochelle Rosenberg. Today it's just a little bit boring day and it's gray outside, so I'm thinking that why not pick up some pictures from the internet. So this image I'm working on with is a picture from a very well-known woman, and she is actually connected to a very well-known man in the Philippines, and the motif of her clothing is a Filipiniana, and as well you can see from the motif of the colors, it represents a little bit of the flag of the Philippines, the yellow, the blue, and the red. Right. Okay, so talking about that, I have actually painted every lines one by one, and I just tried to follow the pattern, but the problem is I also tried to make it in my own signature. So I just hope that you will check out the full video coming up soon. So today I'm just gonna share you just a small part of the film. So enjoy, and I hope to see you again. By the way, please take care everybody, alright? And never forget to wear your mask, and always be you. Love yourself, because you know that you have possibilities every day. Alright, God bless and see you again.